Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Grill Daddy India. My name is George Jacob, your host. Today we are going to see how to grill a lemon chicken spicy tikka. Please watch the video till the end. The recipe is very simple. Thank you.
Alright, the things what we need for our lemon chicken spicy tikka is half kg of chicken. You can cut like this. Okay, I need to blend few items. Turmeric, you can take a half-inch size. It's a raw turmeric. 5 to 6 small onions. In south side you call it as a sambar onion, so you can use this. 4 to 5 or max to 5 to 6. 4 to 5 a medium sized green chilies, so you can cut like this and you can add into the mixer. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Let's blend this. Alright, so let's go to the marination process. So we have a chicken. This is a half kg chicken cut into medium size. Okay, so let's strain this mixture. We need only the water. Alright, so we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon of cumin powder, three teaspoon of lemon, which is the main ingredient for this recipe. Two teaspoon of oil, salt to taste. So now gently mix it. Alright, now allow this chicken to get marinated for a longer time. So I prefer overnight in the refrigerator. If not, you guys can marinate this max to max 3 to 4 hours. Alright, so our chicken got marinated. So now let's get the chicken into the skewer. Alright, it's time to grill now. Alright, so our chicken, our butter, our coal and our BBQ setup is all ready. So let's grill. Say hi to your viewers. Alright, so our lemon chicken spicy tikka is ready now. So let's take it out. I hope everyone liked my video. This is a very simple recipe. Anyone can do it, and mostly it's a good weekend starter. So please subscribe my channel, share my video as much you can, and please don't skip the video, just watch completely, and also please give your comment. Thank you.